Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Wood Arena, Whole Tree Harvester Disc Saw Harvester in action. We begin with the Whole Tree Harvester, a massive piece of equipment capable of taking down entire trees, roots to crown, within seconds. Using a high-speed disc saw, the harvester slices through thick trunks with surgical precision. With an attached grapple and felling head, it lifts the tree, lays it down, and immediately clears the area, making it ready for the next pass. This method, known as whole tree harvesting, is efficient in areas where rapid clearing is necessary. The trees, once felled, are transported to a landing area where the real transformation begins. Next, we see the Vermeer WC2500TX whole tree chipper. Mounted on rubber tracks, this machine can navigate uneven terrain with ease, an ideal trait for remote forest locations. Powered by a 600 horsepower engine, the chipper consumes entire trees fed by a loader, pulling them into a set of dual in-feed conveyors. The chipper's smart crush system automatically adjusts downforce to match the resistance of the wood. The result? Continuous, even chipping that minimizes jams and maximizes productivity. Chips emerge in uniform sizes, ready for transport to biomass facilities or paper mills. While chippers work by slicing wood, horizontal grinders reduce wood waste through a different approach: tearing, grinding, and pulverizing. The Bandit Beast models 2680 and 3680 are industry favorites for this task. The 2680 is a mid-sized grinder known for its versatility. It's powerful enough to process tree trunks, branches, and even construction debris. The feed system uses a massive rotor with sawtooth cutter bodies that shear the wood against fixed anvils. A unique feature is its adjustable screens that control the final particle size. The 3680, slightly larger, is engineered for high-throughput operations. With engines up to 1,200 horsepower, it's used in large-scale land clearing and recycling centers. Despite its power, it's remarkably nimble in how it controls feed speed and output size. Whole tree chippers are best for high-volume operations that prioritize speed and chip size consistency. They are often used near biomass plants, where the wood chips are immediately processed into fuel. Horizontal grinders, on the other hand, are more versatile. They can handle contaminated material, construction debris, and stumps, items that would destroy a chipper's blades. They produce a more fibrous output, ideal for mulch or compost. Modern wood crushers are not just about brute force. Smart systems monitor hydraulic pressure, feed rates, and engine loads in real time. These advancements not only reduce fuel consumption, but also extend the life of cutting components. More importantly, they help ensure that every part of the tree is used. Biomass fuel, wood pellets, compost, and landscaping mulch are just a few of the products created from what used to be considered waste. By transforming branches, tops, and irregular logs into usable material, wood crushers support a more sustainable and circular forestry economy. High in the forests of Maine, we encounter the Woodsman 440, a traditional whole tree chipper known for its brute strength. In a setting blanketed by conifers, the 440 operates steadily, processing tree after tree. Logs are loaded directly into the hopper. A massive feed roller grabs the trunk and pushes it into the spinning drum. Inside, hardened steel knives slice the log into consistent wood chips. Despite its straightforward design, the Woodsman 440 remains a reliable workhorse in North American forestry. Despite their rugged design, wood crushers face significant wear and tear. Rocks, dirt, and metal debris can quickly dull blades and damage drums. Operators must perform regular maintenance, sharpening knives, replacing screens, and greasing moving parts. Downtime is costly, so reliability is paramount. Many machines now feature bolt-on wear parts that are easy to replace, and some even include onboard diagnostic tools to alert operators before failure occurs. Behind every powerful machine is a skilled operator, loading logs with precision, monitoring feed speed, adjusting chip size. All of these tasks require experience and attention. An operator who understands the behavior of different wood types, wet versus dry, hardwood versus softwood, can greatly improve machine performance and product quality. It's a blend of muscle and finesse that defines the success of every wood crushing operation. In some applications, wood doesn't go straight to the chipper. Oversized logs often require pre-processing. Enter the Westech Woodcracker W1000, a hydraulic splitting tong designed to break down large diameter timber before chipping. Mounted on an excavator or chipper platform, the W1000 clamps onto a log and forces it apart with 26 tons of splitting pressure. This step reduces strain on the chipper, increases throughput, and allows for more uniform chips. When attached to a mobile chipper, the setup becomes a compact, all-in-one processing unit, ideal for roadside chipping operations and utility corridor maintenance. We shift to Italy, where Gondini Meccanica's Energy 50 to 75 chipper demonstrates precision and engineering efficiency. With a 750mm diameter drum and the ability to handle logs up to half a meter wide, it is built for continuous operation. Logs are loaded onto the feed conveyor, and a system of aggressive feed rollers ensures steady movement toward the drum. Inside, 2 to 4 large blades chip the wood, assisted by a calibration grid that regulates output size. Equipped with both the no-stress and no-block systems, the machine avoids overloading and jams, maintaining a smooth, uninterrupted workflow. It's a clear example of how automation is enhancing safety and efficiency in wood processing. As we've seen in this compilation, wood crushers are far more than machines. They are essential tools in the forestry supply chain. Whether it's the roaring bite of a disc chipper, the methodical grind of a horizontal mill, or the satisfying snap of a log splitter, each step reflects an industry constantly refining its techniques. From forests in Maine to plantations in Europe, these machines are helping us manage forests more efficiently, reduce waste, and support a cleaner, greener economy. This is the world of industrial wood processing, loud, raw, and absolutely essential. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of wood crushers, be sure to subscribe and explore more deep dive content from the front line of heavy machinery.